Our neighbor's cat can't seem to catch a break. These northern mockingbirds are relentless. These ground dwellers nest, forage, and hunt in grassy areas. In this instant, they are lucky the cat isn't in the mood for a midday snack. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content.
A do ba do ba do 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 ba do.